Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm looking at YouTube because as some of you might know now, and it doesn't seem to be on every channel yet, but it's going to be implemented everywhere. You know, when you watch videos on YouTube, you've got likes, dislikes. Well, it seems that dislikes are going to be invisible to viewers. So that means that before you could see how many likes and how many dislikes are in a video. And as apparently YouTube has decided that according to what they a survey that they did with some creators, they've come to the conclusion that it's better to hide dislikes to kind of prevent dislike bombing, if you want. This is something that does happen, and if the content particularly reaches or talks about something sensitive, it is definitely something that could happen. And, you know, as a content creator, I've seen the effects of, you know, dislike bombing on a few videos that I've made over the years. And, you know, apparently it has an effect on how, you know, your video might be or not recommended. The more dislikes, the less chances it'll pop up compared to another video maybe. But at the same time, dislikes are not necessarily totally negative in the sense that, you know, if you have a lot of likes and you have a little bit of dislikes, and you know, it might even in some cases make viewing even more interesting because there could be a little element of controversy or not. I don't know what to think of that decision of having dislikes only visible to creators. I don't know if necessarily it's something good. Is it or is it not? It might be for small content creators. One thing that comes to mind when I see this decision that they have about dislikes, they're being invisible, on how the you know, annual, when Google used to make this annual, or YouTube used to make this annual, you know, roundup of its content creators every year at the end of the year, and they stopped because the last one was one of the most disliked videos ever. And one of the things I was thinking is, could that have something to do with the fact that they want to hide dislikes? I don't know. But I don't know. Is it a good thing or not? I'm not sure. I personally don't have any problems with having people see the likes and dislikes of videos. For sure that some people, you know, don't know what a dislike is, obviously, because they will dislike when something, for example, doesn't apply to them. You know, like, for example, Windows fixes here. You know, yeah, a fix is not universal. Some fixes, well, some people will have, you know, it will work, but some people will dislike because it didn't work for them. You know, I always found that there's a subset of dumb dislikes that people just don't know what dislike is exactly. And yeah, there are trolls, of course. There's tons of them on YouTube. But one of the things for sure is, you know, you still will see as a content creator the dislikes. I wonder if that's going to change the amount of dislikes. One thing for sure is, for anyone that would be trolling with dislikes, it removes the fun because they can't see how many dislikes versus likes anymore. So definitely that could remove some of the dislike bombing that they call. It might help on maybe smaller content creators. I don't know. I have no idea what to think of it and if it's a good decision or not, personally. What do you guys think about the removal of dislike visibility for viewers of YouTube videos? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.